Beautiful Sunday morning. Walking Gatswane's fences on the top of the mountain on the Olifant's Neck side. Awesome. I love this view. The weather is just perfect. I can walk for days if it remains like this. It's like nice and cold wind blowing. And yes, nice scenery, nice view. If you look at all these fences this side, this fence is excellent condition. It's double layer because the first one obviously is for the previous years. It got deteriorated, rusted all up, started to snap all over, and then the park installed a new layer just on top of that one. It's a good thing, making it a little bit stronger. But what I think will be perfect for this is if we can get the same cables like winch ropes or shaft ropes that we can get like Pilanesberg. You can have these wires going down like this, and just to put extra support in. If you have those kind of wires, who knows, you can put some elephants in here. Because I know Pilanesberg had those because of the elephants and stuff. But yeah, it will just stay longer, keeps longer, it lasts longer, and it's stronger. Let me put it that way. Well, we'll see what we can organize if the mines can sponsor us some stuff. I just need to check the snakes. So I passed 2 snakes already. One of the famous pofadders that we know them, pofadder, and then the other 2 was mambas. But yeah, if I don't fiddle around with them, they will leave me alone. As long as I leave them alone, just avoid them, and then first will pass, and that'll be good. Right, let me just check. Here's a kloof going down here, so I just want to go check. But all these fences here is in good state. There's no people coming in and out here, so it's a good thing. That's why this part is good. There's some animals staying in that hole there.